Nice. Are these 10s or 12s?
12s. They're the ETA 12s. So they're his entry level.
Those are entries? Holy crap.
So these were actually the first ETA 12s ever made on the TI baskets.
Shop everything audio at bigjeffaudio.com. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video.
Made on the TI baskets. I had them custom built for me, and then they wound up shifting their production line to the TI baskets in this setup.
Wow. So you got 3 of them on
two Wolfram 2400s. They're strapped together. Right now I'm only clamping 3K.
Okay. So you're wired to what, 1.3 or?
It's right at 1 ohm.
1 ohm. Okay.
So, but after rise with VO, I'm only clamping.
Yes, sir. 3. All right. Very nice. We're good. Ooh. How's your electrical? Amp, what's your battery and alternator?
So I got a CES 80 ding dong underneath the box right behind you.
Okay.
I've got a Brand X 250.
Okay.
I don't ever see below 14.6.
Oh,
I'm charging at 14.9. I'd charge higher, but because they're the Chinese boards, I was advised not to go over 15, so that's where I stay.
Okay.
So.
All right. And have you metered it at all?
Yeah, I know where it sits.
It knows where it sits?
I know where it sits.
That looks really good. I like the way the box. Who built the box?
That'd be me.
Awesome. Really nice job.
Thank you. Yep.
How thick is the glass?
Glass is 3/4.
Wow, really?
Yeah, front plate. It's sandwiched in between 2 layers of 3/4.
Okay.
Internal bracing. All the corners on the box on the inside have been 45.
And you got a mirror, so.
Yeah, I got a mirror so you can see the motor work on the bottom of the motors. And,
that is awesome.
And tuning is not disclosed.
Not disclosed, okay. What's going on, everyone? This is JacobViral. I hope you enjoyed the full walk around we just got of his system. Really looking forward to showing y'all how it sounds. An impressive triple subwoofer 12-inch box build. Going to be giving you a demo. He's actually given us a really long 4-minute plus demo you're getting to see. If you haven't already, go ahead and give him a like as well as comment. Say some positive things you like about his system. He was showcasing this at the Made of Steel show in Tampa, Florida area. At 2021 was the year we had this demo. So go ahead and give him a like. I notice he has his port behind the driver's seat, which means all the pressure is going to be going opposite of the port all the way on the passenger, which was me. He gave me a demo with window up and down. You're kind of going to see a good bit of flex. We got some inside sub flex, outside cabin flex as well. Also, being a triple sub system, most optimal cone area for this amount of space he had, right under window line as well. I wish I would have found out all the specs about the box, the tuning, the SPL score, but he didn't want to disclose it. Sorry about that. Got a little quick close-up shot of how the Neo magnet looks. Pretty sure these subwoofers are rated at 1500 watts RMS. The Hutchinson ETA Neo 12. Pretty sure the Hutchinson audio brand is not available anymore, so you're not able to find these kind of subwoofers online, new, only used condition anymore. But looking forward to showing y'all how it sounds. I like the beauty panel look, the 3/4 inch glass, and there's actually a mirror image underneath the motor so you can kind of see a close-up of the shot. He did a really good job making this system look clean, showcasing it at the show, as well as making it a demo monster for 3 12-inch subs under the window line. So we're going to go and get to the car audio bass demo now. If you haven't already, consider subscribing. I do daily car audio videos every day with the notification bell on, and enjoy.
I have one demo song I generally use, and then I'll play something. we could.
Yeah, definitely.
So,
and have you metered it at all?
yeah, I know where it sits.
It knows where it sits?
I know where it sits.
Awesome. Thank you for the demo.
Yeah, no problem.
Awesome. Hey, have a good day, man.
All right, man, thanks.
Awesome.
Shop everything audio at bigjeffaudio.com. Links in the description. Thanks for watching.